Morning, everyone. Right now, just finished basketball. Now heading to my first lecture, and I'll take you guys through my day. I'll let you guys know what it's like to be a computer science student and attending lectures and what else I do in my life. Really, it's quite boring, but fuck it, let's go. KFC. We get in the nearly 4 o'clock. Going to my lecture now, and then after this lecture, which is 4 to 6, I'll head home so I can go to the gym and make my dinner and rest, chill for a bit. Not long, 2 more hours and then we're out. Alright, it's 6 o'clock now, 6:10. Just came back from uni. That's done, that's wrapped up. Now we're gonna make some quick food, some spaghetti with some things, we'll see in a bit. And then head to the gym. When I come back from the gym, at least that way I'll have some food to eat and I won't have to worry about making anything like that anymore. And then after that, just chill, you know. So let's go ahead and let's make some food because, boy, I'm hungry. Anyways, we're gonna make some spaghetti with tuna sauce. Very simple, and it should take about 20 minutes. I've done that before, so basic. guys, get this book, and it really helps you guys, you know, make quick meals, especially for students. Easy thing. Come on. Yeah, let's do this. Just got back from the gym. Was great, good session, and now I'm pretty much done with everything, and I'm gonna go ahead, have my meal, watch some basketball games, and then Netflix after, because it's already 9 p.m. here in the UK. So yeah, this is my typical Monday. If you liked it, please give it a like, subscribe obviously if you're new to the channel, and I'll try my best to make more visual ideas and bring different contents that I feel like I would like to cover in the future. If you guys have any suggestions, please then let me know in the comment section, and like always, share this video with someone, you know, even one person, like, I don't know, your siblings or whatever. But for now, we have to just appreciate this, and I have to, let's see this, sit down, watch my boys play. Lakers fan, turn up please. And I have my meal ready, got some banana for that after, and then take my protein shake, and that's about it. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next week, yeah, or tomorrow, who knows. See you later. Thank you for turning up. Peace. See you around.